is this flippy octopus. Super cool. What's this? It feels like a needle. It's so cool. I'm not doing this just because. A little bit. Well, it is really cool. Look at it. It's so cool. How much is this?
Like $5.
$5? I'm going to get it just because I always wanted it. Yeah, it does have a tag, right? This is just so cool over here. There's already so many things I want to look at. What's this? It's a strawberry. That's really cool. Can I get this?
You want that one?
Yeah. That's really cool. Wait, it's purple only. I forgot it. Okay. Discounts of purple, but I don't think so. This definitely. How much is this?
That's $3.
Okay, I'm going to get this because it's purple. Is there going to be any needles? I think so, but I don't know. Let's go. Come on. Is there going to be any? Yep, there are needles. So needles a purple spider and I hate spiders. That feels really nice. Is there any purple? Oh, is that pink? Is it purple? It's pink. I can take that. This actually feels really nice, but it's a spider and I do not like spiders. I'm just showing it because I really like it. It's really nice. Are you videotaping? I kind of want this. How much is this?
$3, I think.
Okay. What are these first? So I know pink ones, but they feel cool.
Which one, baby?
Okay, I just found this. That is purple. But I also just started this so I can unbox it in one of a video. Wait. I don't know. I forget if I showed you I did that. I think I did. But yeah. There are these. I don't know if there's any more. Okay, I also found this snapper for my backpack and I really like it. Look. Okay, now we're at TJ Maxx and I found this purple white ball. You squeeze it and it does. Wait, rolls right back up. We are gonna do that. I'm gonna look a little bit more around. I found it up there. So up there are pop tubes, but there's no purple ones. I'm going over here. Ooh. Actually, I always wanted one of these. I think the are the white infinity cubes? I don't know. There is this, but it's not Papa. I need Papa. Okay. Those are really cool. Ooh, hold up. I see something all the way up there that I can't get. And I also found this. It's really cool. It's a puppet bat. I really like it. That's all it.